For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David.
Thank you, Brandy. Happy holidays.
And happy holidays to you as well. Hey, things have been more optimistic in financial markets lately. What are some of the things that you think might be driving that?
Well, clearly, we've been through a period where the headline discussions, as far as in this space, have been all driven by what's the Fed going to do. What we're seeing in recent times is a overshoot potentially that's taken place, as far as that people think that the Fed is clearly done as far as increased interest rates and cuts maybe on the horizon. And understanding how bonds big picture work, it's the teeter-totter concept I know I've spoken about numerous times here. So maybe they're right, maybe they're not right. But I brought along a chart today that's kind of looking at liquidity, which is a really important variable when we come to discussions pertaining to markets and should I be investing, what have you. And what we're looking at here is basically the money that's available as far as for individuals to invest. So again, liquidity. And one way to view this, and we've got this here as far as the top line, is one of the really important ones, and it's looking at, again, liquidity pertaining to markets. The bottom two are industrial production and commodity prices. Put them all together, it's a pretty favorable environment that we see as far as from this chart here.
So what does this mean for viewers' investments?
Well, the weight of the evidence, I know I talk about that all the time, and that is looking at many different things prior to making a decision. But what I think this is telling us today is that this is a pretty favorable environment that we find ourselves in today when it pertains to risk assets.
All right, David, thanks for your insight today.
Thank you.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.